Now, the next example is going to be constructing a frequency polygon. And the name kind of gives it away. Since it's a frequency polygon, your vertical axis is going to measure frequency. And since it's a polygon, the shape that you create will be a closed polygon in the end. What makes a frequency polygon unique is the x-axis happens to be class midpoints. So if the given information does not give you the class midpoints, you need to go find the class midpoints by adding your limits together and dividing by 2. Okay? Now, for this frequency polygon, we're going to use the same frequency distribution that we used for our histogram. So going back over to here, we need to find our class midpoints. So if we add 99.5 plus 104.5, that adds up to 204. If we divide 204 by 2, we get 102. Make your first tick mark pretty far away from the corner so that successive tick marks are closer to each other. So this first distance is longer than all the others. Now, we're going to start with the class midpoint of the first class, which I said was 102. And since we know the class width is 5, we're going to just add 5 to get the next class midpoint. So it's 105 is 112, plus 5 is 117, plus 5 is 122, plus 5 is 127. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need 2 more. 5 is 132. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I can't count. I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're done. Now, since the frequency is the same as on our histogram, I think counting by 2s is a good scale for the frequency. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, and 18. Please do more than just watch and listen. I need you to physically be constructing this with me right now so you get a feel for how long it takes you personally to do this. Alright? So now, again, I've got 1 point for axis, another point for labeling the vertical axis. I got another point for having the actual numbers on the x-axis, another point for the proper scale here. So now, this is what you do. Above the first class